Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a nostalgic journey back in time as we explore the legendary GMC Blue Chip Series vintage truck. For those who appreciate classic automotive history, the Blue Chip Series stands as a testament to GMC's craftsmanship, durability, and style during the mid-20th century. It's not just a truck, it's a symbol of an era where simplicity met reliability. Let's start by setting the stage. The GMC Blue Chip Series was introduced in the late 1950s, a period when pickup trucks began evolving beyond being mere workhorses. They became functionality with style. The Blue Chip Series was GMC's answer to this new demand, offering trucks that were as capable on the farm as they were stylish cruising through town. The design of these trucks is iconic. With their bold front grills, sweeping fender lines, and attention to detail, the Blue Chip trucks have a timeless appeal. The chrome accents, signature two-toned paint options, and large round headlights gave these vehicles a distinctive look that still turns heads today. Whether it's parked at a vintage car show or rolling down the road, a GMC Blue Chip truck is impossible to miss. Under the hood, these trucks offered impressive power for their time. They came with a range of engine options, including straight-six and Vate engines, providing the performance needed for towing, hauling, and everything in between. One of the standout options was the Hydra-matic transmission, a feature that set the Blue Chip trucks apart by offering smoother and more efficient driving. It was a big deal back then, and it showed that GMC was ahead of the curve in engineering. Step inside, and you'll see that the Blue Chip Series wasn't just about rugged utility. The interior featured thoughtful design elements that catered to driver comfort, something not all trucks of the era could boast. With a wide bench seat, a clean and functional dashboard, and plenty of chrome trim, it was clear that GMC had considered the needs of the everyday driver. While it may seem simple by today's standards, this level of comfort and design was revolutionary for a pickup truck at the time. The Blue Chip Series also gained a reputation for reliability. These trucks were built to last, with solid frames and durable materials that have helped many of them survive decades later. Owners loved them not just for their style, but for their ability to get the job done, whether that meant hauling produce to market or towing heavy equipment on the farm. What truly makes the GMC Blue Chip Series special is its legacy. These trucks represent a golden era of automotive design and innovation. They hold a unique place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts alike. Restoring one of these beauties is like breathing new life into a piece of history, and owning one is a badge of honor in the classic truck community. So there you have it, a closer look at the timeless GMC Blue Chip Series vintage truck. If you're passionate about classic vehicles or just love hearing about the stories behind them, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Blue Chip Series, or share your own vintage truck memories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.